Best friend, welcome back to the channel. I have managed to get both of my nutcrackers here. I'm still working on this room, and you guys know that I am going to put my beautiful King of Christmas trees here. I'm gonna have all of the beautiful plaids and reds and greens in here. So welcome back to the WEBBS Christmas Extravaganza. Okay, you guys, so I have finally made it into the family room, and I am about to put up my trees from King of Christmas in here. So what I have here, so hopefully by now you have already seen the other three trees from King of Christmas, but this is my newest trees, and this is the 8 feet King Flock Slim Tree Unlit. I also am going to put some lights in there myself, and they are going against the wall. So I need to move everything out and get the room set up. So if you guys do not know that King of Christmas is the place to go for the most beautiful Christmas trees. So let me tell you a little bit more about them.
You guys, I have been collaborating with King of Christmas for at least 4 to 5 years, and they have the most amazing trees. Now, you can get flock trees at any size. You can get green trees at any size. And they don't just stop at trees. They have wreaths, ornaments, and so much more. But today I am putting together my 8-foot flocked unlit tree. I am going to leave the website down below so you can get your hands on whatever tree that I have displayed during the duration of WEBBS Christmas Extravaganza, because King of Christmas has sponsored all of my trees and you guys love them. So I will have each of them linked down below in the description box to so you can go and run and get you one if you like. So let's jump into and see how I am putting these trees together.
So I already got one in. So I am going to do some fluffing. And King of Christmas trees, they always come with gloves, so you can get the best fluffing ever. So, and what I did was I want to do one at a time and fluff out. I usually sit on the floor. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. And I start the fluffing like a piece at a time, because fluffing is the key, and you should start fluffing your tree all the way from the back. And it is also easier to go ahead on and put your tree collar on before you really start putting all the pieces to your tree on. And you should actually touch each and every branch so you can get the best of fluffing, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff and fluff and fluff and fluff and fluff, and I will be back to see you when I'm done. I don't even know, you guys, if I want to put lights on this tree, because I'm gonna have so many ornaments on this tree. to be honest with you. So I don't know, but we will see. Let me finish doing this and I will see you in a little bit. as you guys can see, I've made my way all the way over here. You guys, I am loving this tree, even without lights. It is so full and so nice. So I am thinking, because I have so much decor, do I even need to light this tree up? I don't know, y'all. Let me get the stand. I don't know. I don't know. This is the bag to put this tree in. So I don't know, you guys, what I'm going to do. I have the lights for it, but not sure. I'm trying to get the stool so I can get on top and straighten the top of this tree out. If you guys can see this side, oh my God, it looks so good. Let me turn the camera around so you can see both trees. It looks so good. Y'all see that? I had to cut a hole in this one, y'all, because I needed to get to the camera. But this looks so spanking cute. Hope you guys can still see your girl. This tree really don't even take that much to fluff it. You basically, because this tree is so pretty and it's not a whole lot of shedding either. I want to tell you guys that I do have some shedding, but it's not a whole lot. And this year I have a what this thing is, I have a star that I am going to put on the tree. You know, I have bells and stars, and it's the year of the reindeer, and honey, I got so much of everything that I am putting up this year. When I tell y'all, I want to be able, I didn't want to do too many trees this year. Well, I'm saying it, but I'm doing about the same amount. But I really just kind of wanted to focus on, look how quick it was just to fluff this tree out. When I tell you about 20 minutes tops to fluff out one of King of Christmas trees, like, and I always say kings, but it's King of Christmas. It don't take, it's little to no effort to flock this tree, and the trees are always so beautiful. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. You guys, this is an 8-foot. I didn't know this tree was this big though. Girl, I don't know. I might need some more decor for this tree. But you know what? I'm going to use what I have to get the look that I want. I ain't gonna lie. I got some stuff. But I just love this tree. It looks good. Just like this. With nothing on it. That's how good it looks. And I love these bags here. Know what I'm going to do next year when I get ready to take my tree down? I'm going to put these trees back in these bags, so I'm going to keep them. But I want y'all to see just how good. Let me see who's that. It looks. I'm going to move everything out the way, and I'm going to put the tree topper on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are some beautiful trees. So I decided in this video, I have been running up and down the stairs, trying to pull out things, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. And as you guys notice, I ended up moving all of the fall stuff from out of here, right? And I just left a few other things left in the space, but look at those trees, y'all. I ended up also putting the stars in the trees this year. Last year, if I'm not mistaken, I think I had like reindeers or something in the trees. But look how good this looks. This looks so good. Really good. So maybe as of right now, I am just going to leave the trees with nothing in it. I really like how it looks. And I know that once I put decor on it, you're really not going to be able to see the lights. But I want to get close on these trees to show y'all. Do y'all see this? Baby. And I did a quick fluff on here. I did a good 10 minutes on here. And that fluffing is just beautiful, right? And look at that side. This looks so good. So good. I love the stars up there. So come back for the next video when I start to decorate this room, and then you'll see if I am going to put some lights in these trees. I don't know. I may not. I did go ahead on and put the gold tree collar down there. I've been using this bike as a prop for years as I've been decorating. I don't know why that tricycle just looks so good with my Christmas decor. I put it there every year. So yeah, if you guys notice, I have started pulling stuff out and moving stuff around. Yeah. It looks amazing. So you guys, I will see you in the next video. The very next video is going to be me decorating this space. So I'll see you in the next one. Toodoo!